In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track time in Microsoft Planner. Microsoft Planner is great for organizing tasks, but it does not include a built-in timer or native time tracking feature. To track time effectively, you typically use a third-party integration that adds a timer right inside your Planner experience. In this walkthrough, I will show you how to do that using a tool called Tracking Time, which can place timer controls directly into your Planner tasks. Before you begin, make sure the Tracking Time extension or integration is already available in your browser, so the button shows up while you are working. Start by opening Microsoft Planner in your browser and navigating to your project board. Once you are on the plan you want to work in, look along the top area of the page for the Tracking Time option. Click on Tracking Time to open the Time Tracking panel. In the Tracking Time area, click the highlighted section to bring up your tracking controls. Then click on Time Entry. This is where you can create and manage the record of time you spend on a specific task. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place, because time entries are most useful when they are tied to the right project and task from the start. Next, click the highlighted area again, and then click the highlighted area once more, as shown in the interface. These clicks are used to open the selection controls, so you can choose what you are tracking time against. Now click on Select Project or Task. From here, choose the Planner task that matches the work you are about to do. If you have several similar tasks, slow down and select carefully, because clean time tracking depends on consistent task selection. Once your task is selected, click Start to begin tracking. You should see the timer begin running, indicating your time is actively being recorded. If you see another Start button in the timer area, click Start there as well, as shown to fully initiate tracking in the active panel. As you work, keep the timer running so your recorded time stays accurate for that task. When you are ready to wrap up, you can return to this same panel to review the time entry details later. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.